In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wix Editor instead of Wix Studio. Now, when you open or create a website in Wix Studio, you'll see the Harmony editor instead of the classic Wix Studio editor. This is how the Harmony editor looks like. Now, the Harmony editor isn't all that bad, but it has fewer features than the classic editor because it focuses more on AI integration. On the right hand side, you will see Aria, and in here you can ask anything as well as suggest the things in which you want within each and every section or how you want the page to look like as a whole. Now, if you prefer to not use the Harmony editor, there's still a way to avoid it. To do that, you just want to make sure that you have successfully signed up on your Wix Studio account, and on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that you were on Discover. Now onto Discover, you want to go to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on Create New Site. Now, this is where we can start avoiding the Harmony editor as a whole. You can start from a blank canvas or start from a template. However, if you start from a template, then that is where you'll get the Harmony editor suggestions. So what you want to do is head over to the bottom and click on Build with the Wix Editor. Now in here, you'll be greeted with the Wix Harmony. What you want to do is head over to the bottom where it says Maybe Later. Simply click on Maybe Later. Now in here, you can totally skip AI. Simply go to the top and the right hand side and click on skip. And in here, you can also click on skip at the bottom and the right hand side. Now, once that's done, you'll be greeted with the dashboard and you want to head over to your name, and on the right hand side, simply click on design site. Now in here, what you want to do is simply click on pick a template. Now, in choosing your template, you can choose from one of the templates that are available. You just want to make sure that you avoid the template in which has Wix Harmony at the bottom and the right hand side. You will automatically see this. As you can see, this will use the classic editor. However, if you want to start on a blank template, then just simply go to the right hand side at the very top and click on blank templates. Now in here, you just want to click on start from scratch and then click on edit. And as you can see, we are now on the classic Wix editor. And that's about it. That's how to use Wix Editor instead of Wix Studio. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.